Hello everybody, and welcome back to Curiosity Corner. My name is Jared, your friendly science Viking, and today we made a kaleidoscope. Yay! Now a kaleidoscope is an optical instrument. That means it's a tool for your eyes that uses reflection and light in order to make images. So inside we have reflective material, and on this lid I put a whole bunch of transparent paper. Transparent means that it allows light to pass through it. So the light goes through our lid and reflects off of our aluminum foil, and so creates a whole mess of symmetrical patterns. Basically, light goes in, reflects on the inside, looks really pretty. Now, a few things I forgot to mention earlier. Chief amongst them, you need a decent light source in order to make a really decent kaleidoscope. There has to be a lot of light coming in here. Like, for example, a light bulb, or more easily, depending on time of day, the sun. However, caveat, warning, little asterisk, do not point your kaleidoscope directly at the sun. It's not good for your eyes. Don't look directly at the sun. Same reason, it's not good for your eyes. Don't do it. Near the sun, you'll probably be okay. And even then, maybe ask an adult before you sign up for that. But the sun is not good for your eyes. Don't point your kaleidoscope directly at it. Okay, now that's taken care of. That's everything I want to talk about today. Please join us tomorrow at 10:30 as my friend Joy talks to you all about making homemade paper. I don't know what that means. Well, I know what it means. She's making homemade paper. I don't know how, so I'll be there to see that. Join us tomorrow. Make sure you like these videos, subscribe to our channel. We have new videos every day at 10:30 and 3 o'clock. So make sure you don't miss on any of those. Watch all of our videos, learn about science. And I think that's it. That's our show for today. So until next time, have fun, be safe, and as always, stay curious.